The controversial journalist Popo Chungono has published a contradictory wealth story, this time saying his property wealth came from gods that were worth 100,000 US dollar each. Sanavina mashoko buda panguva ino anyasokona kunzwa Popo Chungono aulotamba nebrands evanhu. Panguva ino achingopubliciza aiwa mastories ari kusiyana achicontradicta ekuti akazoita mari sei. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mrambo udwanyi kwamuchinzi Chingono, who is the world's only journalist possessing 3 identity cards bearing 3 totally different names on them, has in the last 6 years been announcing that people should not debate with him till the day they purchase their first home. He has also been saying, contrary to multiple allegations, including an investigation by his former employer, Geoff Nyarota, on the Alpha Media Holding newspaper website in 2021, his wealth did not at all come from foreign proceeds of crime, and his first Chisipite home was bought from non-foreign money but a local bank, KEBS Zimbabwe Mortgage. He would add, saying this was because the Zim economy in 2001 was good. In April 2023, following questions raised by Al Jazeera Media Network Good Mafia documentary founder Simba Chikanza, he published a new claim to say his first home was truly purchased from UK money in the form of a 50,000 sport car 1996 loan of a vehicle he quickly sold upon being illegally shipped to Zimbabwe. He emphasized that the 50,000 value realized from the sale is what created his property wealth. At a time when he is still to disclose the identity of the British lender, Chingono has publicized a totally contradicting claim, this time to suggest that the money actually came from a Boer goats, which are worth up to 100,000. During interviews with his former employer Nyarota, Chingono failed to answer key questions, one of them which was over the date when he started his Boer goat farming. When pressed further by Chikanza in an online podcast, Chingono has said he could afford the 120,000 value loan because he was working in the media in 1996. Since I have worked for private media all my life. But he contradicts this claim by saying he worked as a cleaner when he arrived in UK in 1994. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino anyasokona kunzi aiwa vanaopo Chingono aiwa vanga atofola mugurupu rezvigananda panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi his wealth story panguva ino irikungochinja nekufamba kwenguva. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu musana subscribe or like channel on the bell icon.